Welcome over here to Miami Convention. This is Miami, Florida, United States. And this is the Parts Base Exposition 2025, where all major aircraft parts suppliers, maintenance, repair and overhaul facilities, providers meeting to exchange ideas and partnerships. And we are here as Aliong'o Aerosphere to represent you as an African aircraft operator, to catch up all the latest and greatest in aviation so that we can elevate African aviation. That's Andrew, man, and he presented us something here really cool. You want to tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, CMMC, Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. So if you're doing any business with the military or the Department of Defense, I'm your guy.
There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
Therefore, we need to make sure that humans have the right guidance, the right processes, the right training. You can have a software solution that does exactly what it's supposed to do, but if it's interfacing with human beings that are inadequately trained, the human beings might make mistakes that the software isn't able to remedy. So we need to look at everything that we're
see here, for example, we have a glass aero here. They were showing us all their windows and what they do. You can see this another supplier there. Okay. You can see this repair overhaul facility. Parts Base Exposition 2025, and I can tell you for sure it's been really impressive, and lots of deals, lots of partnerships, lots of networking, and we here as Aliong'o Aero came here to represent you as an African aircraft operator, to be able to see what's out here in the industry, what is the latest, and to elevate African aviation. That's the most important thing. So we're putting the name out here to say that Africa is also represented. Perfect. Good day. See ya.